All right, welcome back. I'm Michael from FitPro Solutions. Now, when what I want to talk to you about today is the event start date feature inside of FitPro Solution. Now, what is the event start date? And basically, setting an event start date would allow you to trigger events based on a date that you specify. So let's say you're doing a special training or a special event, either in person or online, and you want to make sure that people are getting reminder emails for that event specifically. Now, appointments automatically do this, right? So when you book an appointment, and you're using, you set it up with an appointment trigger up here, it's automatically going to be tied to that appointment now. But let's say you're just doing, like I said, a training or a special event or a custom class, and you just want it to be set up for that specific date. So what you'll do, and you can trigger this however you want, whether people fill out a form or you add a tag to them. But I'm just going to dive right in here, and I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to go to set event start date or event start time. And we're going to choose a specific date. Let's say that you're having a early, Christmas party at, let's say, 2 p.m. And I'm going to save action. And then what we can do, well, number one, we can send out an email immediately when someone opts in, perhaps, and just say, get ready for the party. And then you type in whatever you want to say in here. And then, let's say we want to remind them an hour before, we would scroll all the way down here to the wait step, and we would go event appointment time. And then we would go before, let's just say 1 hour. And what this does is going to wait until that event to happen, right? Based on this event. So, and then we can maybe we send an SMS and we say, hey, training starts 1 hour. I hope. Very excited. All right. And then you hit save. And so you could do this as many times as you'd like and have as many messages as you want. But this is how the set event start time works. And you can also have it be for a specific day of the month and time. Or you can also have it be a custom field if you're collecting this is how you can do it to basically do reminder campaigns. So if someone, maybe you set their expiration date as a certain field, and then they get added into this, and you can select it from here, contacts, custom fields. Maybe it's their birth date. That's another great use of this. On their birthday, you can just send this email to them. And so they get added to this, and then it just waits until this time. And I guess we'll actually have to add in one more wait step for that. And we'll just go after 0 minutes. Let's see. Maybe just 1 minute before. Yeah. And so that's how you can use the event start time trigger or action here. So hope you're utilizing this and maybe setting up some reminder campaigns or setting up an event of your own. And again, if you need support, we have Q&A calls every Monday and Wednesday, as well as we're always answering questions inside of the Facebook group, which you can find in a link down below in the description. And if you're not started with FitPro Solution yet, I would highly recommend getting started. And you can join us by going to fitprosolution.com and start your free trial today.